vlogging a park he's been to 1,000,000 times.
But there's a new ride here that I haven't ridden yet.
Yippee.
It's a nostalgic for me because Big Bad Wolf was a pretty cool coaster. But yeah, there's a Busch over there and a Big Bad Wolf and some Revenge over there. So let's go over there. After venturing to the very back of the park, because this thing is very hidden.
An RMC could have gone here, but like it's cool.
It's still cool.
It's a cute ride.
Yeah, I'm excited for this. Let's give it a shot.
Views. Oh yeah.
You're living much hell.
I'm so excited. It's definitely, yeah. It's not as smooth as they want, but smooth. What's this? Yo!
Oh! It launches into us.
Oh, this is...
It's a trap!
Beer! Beer! Shots o'clock! Beer! Beer!
That was fun.
Yeah, they're celebrating.
All right, we just did the Wolves with Wrens twice, front row and back row. It's fun. I like it.
It's very difficult for a lot of the guests to find it, and it shows because it's a brand new ride and it's a station wait. But
yeah, we did it twice in like 10 minutes. Like one example is this little thing right here. It's like it looks cool, but there's like no signage indicating what's over here.
you have the Big Bad Wolf sign over there, which is at the front.
What's
but
that? I guess it helps, but
a lot of people are still not going to realize that there's a ride back here. They just think, oh, cool, Big Bad Wolf thing. That's an homage to the old one. They're not going to assume that there's a ride back here.
yeah, they need a little bit more indication of what's back here. But yeah, I was telling him like on our first ride in the front row, like going through the village, I had like flashbacks of the original Wolf. Like it was like very reminiscent of that. Anywho, it's hot as balls right now, so we're going to go inside and cool off for a little bit in Fest House.
I'm going to get some
And
PRC on some beer.
That too, yes.
Later.
Oh yeah. That's going in the vlog. It's been like 6 hours since I pulled my camera out, so here we are. So yeah, you've done a little bit more in the park. This is strictly a Big Bad Wolf vlog, if you haven't caught on by now.
This is the new thing, so obviously. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's definitely.
Why was there an eagle sound?
It's a little kid.
Running a little faster.
Yeah, hold it. Oh yeah, that's so good. Oh! I can hear that. Oh wow.
It like slammed in the back row.
That's so funny.
So yeah, guess the heat wave that we were experiencing that day made me forget to film an outro. So here we are. Big Bad Wolf, The Wolf's Revenge is a nice addition for the park. Although I will say that I hope that this is the last family coaster that the park gets for a while, having just gotten Dark Coaster not too long ago. The ride itself was executed very well. The overall theming is the best that I've seen from the park since Fair Bolton. There's a lot of nods to their original Big Bad Wolf and a few to Dragonfire too. This coaster does not follow the recent trend of new B&Ms being rough. Every ride I had on this was very smooth. It's also neat how this is the first B&M ever to have 2 lift hills. My only critique about the ride is its location. It's very hidden, and I feel like guests are going to have a hard time finding it, or even knowing that it's there. There's a sign to the left of the Oktoberfest building, but I still think this would be easy to miss. There's room for many more attractions in this area. I feel like they need to add more rides over here, and add something big that will show in the park skyline, in order to bring more people to that area of the park. And I feel like Busch Gardens will do something like that in the near future. So yeah, that's all my thoughts on the ride. Let me know your thoughts if you've ridden it too. Alright guys, I've wrapped the video up here. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next loop.